Which
All
ones
right,
are?
wait. So these go to the breathers, right?
These are breathers. These are rocker box stands because they're 5/16, big ones. These are all the same length on twin cams. On Evils, they're different.
Mm-hmm.
4 shorts, 4 long. These are all the same. So these are rocker covers, inner and outers. So which ones are the inners? Which ones are the outers?
I believe these are the inners.
How do you know?
They're gold.
Mm-hmm.
I remember them being gold when I took them out.
Which other ones are gold?
These two here.
Mm-hmm. There's 4 of them. Grab them.
Yeah. So these are the top boxes, right?
Now you just got to figure out which ones go where. These are all internals, these are internals, these are all external because they're filthy and shitty looking. So where's your lids at? They're over here. Don't know if they really got cleaned yet. But you can see how there's 6 shorts and 6 longs. See how short they are? Obviously if you put a long one like that, it wouldn't work very well. So we know these are the outers. So we know these are all inners. I don't know where they go yet, because I don't remember. Still work on the twin cams, remember. But I have a rocker box right here, and it pretty much tells you what's going to happen. You in front over there? Oh, junk in the way. Oh, you need space around your workbench to work? No, that's a new concept around here. All right, so there's going to be a stand that drops down in the hole here. These 2 right here are breather bolts, which are these skinny ones.
Yep.
Pretty obvious. See how these look like they're taller than these ones? So there's a chance there that's where those go. See?
Yep.
Makes sense, huh?
Yep.
New concept. Stuff that makes sense, works. And so they all stick up about the same height, about a 1/2 inch. Good sign. There you go. Half done already.
Yep.
Now these here don't hurt to be Loctited with blue. That way they stay tight. So all of these need to be Loctited.
Okay.
But not right this minute. First we gotta put them more together. These definitely have to be Loctited. Okay, we need push rod covers, which we already cleaned. And put the O-rings in there in the center. So these are ready to go. What's the assembly load that used to be here? Why? I put stuff away when the motor's done. See, I left tools out. I put some tools away. You know why I left tools here?
Yeah.
Because I might need them. Oh. The ones I don't need, I got rid of. Alright, so I wiped the push rods off so they're semi-clean. So these go into holes here. So these what I do with a little squeegee on there. Move it down here. See how stringy and messy this crap is? Nasty.
It's definitely stringy.
Definitely nasty. Yeah, it's this one going backwards, I think. Oop. It'd be easier if I put this in first. Let's see, it wasn't first in a row. So up here, silver is intake and black is exhaust. There's no stripes on them like an Evo, so they're probably the same. So you probably got 2 lengths. Be my guess. So those are in there where they belong. Now we might have to pull them out, put the rock box in, but I think we can probably slip it in there. I think there's enough room. Definitely in the front there's enough room. So this goes in here like that. Yes. That one worked. This one doesn't work. Tanks in there, see? Always got to be one to be a pain in the ass. No biggie. We know how to get around those problems.
Your O-ring came out down there.
My ring came out. We don't need that, do we? It's still there. Just not installed. I can't see crap. There's no light. Still don't see it. Okay, drop down the hole. All right, twin cams suck. Egos would never drop down the hole like that. She quits closing all these drawers up. Certain drawers are open for a reason. Okay, where did it go? I do not see it anywhere. It's probably right on top.
I see it. I think I can grab it with my finger.
There you go.
Laying right there.
Can't get in to get to it. At home I got a 90-degree scribe, I just go right in there and grab it. You got a little scribe here, pick? Seal puller?
Yeah, I got a little pick.
Oh, good. Let's find that little pick. Put the hook on next one. See, right tool makes things a lot easier. All right. Do this again. See, try to get fancy, be quick. What happens? You want to spin it twice as long. It's in. All right. Rocker stand. Tips still look good. Put the dry parts together. I like stringies too. Hey, look at that. Stringy messes of crap. Okay, this is our breather. It's all laid in here but not done yet. Now, we might have to put that bolt in now because of the blockage space. And you don't have Loctite in here yet, so that's a hint. You caught on. Is this good? Film in here. All right. That's not ready to go in yet. What'd you forget? What's forgotten?
Gasket.
What else is forgotten? Rocker pucks. Channel. It'll fit on this way, but it won't seal. No, guess I know. Installed. Make sure the O-ring's still in there. Just still in there.
Appears to be.
Good. Keep the rocker runs up. Go in like that. And more likely it won't work if I didn't put the other bolts in yet, which probably have to, before that goes in also. Because why?
So everybody lines up.
They're tall. And we're missing one for some reason. We only got 3 over there now. Thought we had 8. We got 3 now. You gonna get this thing? Ah, there it goes. I'm missing a bolt somewhere. So these don't fit in here very well. Probably won't fit at all. These outer ones you probably can get in, but not the inner ones.
Little shimmy shake.
Gotta get the gasket to move around until the bolts start going in to where they belong. Don't tighten nothing until all the bolts are in. Oh, found the other bolt. Take a stand over here.
Okay.
Let's go find that fancy tool that you bought.
I mean the metric stuff. SEMA. This is the people that make the tools for Snap-on. Snap-on and Blue Point, I think you said.
One of the two. And others. But we didn't pay Snap-on price. Come on. They won't come out. Screw it. It's enough Loctite. Won't overdo it anyway. You can make sure those long ones go in. Be a bitch, you have to pull the whole thing apart and put the 2 bolts back in. That would suck, wouldn't it? Do that on the other side. Lack of space. Zip ties are in the way, rocker box is in the way, studs are in the way. 2 fingers fit. That's all you need, 2 fingers, right? Okay. We got to work with here. Which one's that? 1/2 incher? Does it work? Correct. Where'd you get that size from?